Okay. I am going to install this LED interior flush mount light in my bathroom here. Now, we have to be careful because I did not turn off the electricity, so, I mean, you don't have to, but I would advise you to. I don't know if I have to say that, but I was taught by my father, so we do things a little crazy, but I guess I might have to say you have to. But I have to, I had a light up here, so I have to remove this mount, which I already did, and put up this one. You have to be careful not to touch the wires together. When you're doing the mount, make sure this hump is up inside. And yes, a drill would be much faster, but I am pretty old school. So, I apologize. You don't have to tighten it. Too much to where it's buckling. See, the black is hot, white, and then the gold, the copper is your ground. You want to do that one first, but this, the mount, you want to put in. And make sure all these are spread apart so they don't touch, because they're hot right now. But this is what's going to hang your light. They have green handled screwdrivers, which are for electric, dealing with electricity, so you don't get zapped. But I didn't take the time to find mine. You want to do the copper first. You want to wrap it around. And you have three. I'm sorry, I don't know what these are called. These parts. Let me look. Wire connectors. Wire connectors. You want to wrap the wires around each wire. So when you screw the wire connector on, it doesn't come off. And then, oh, there goes one. And then righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then, but if you're looking away from it and you're screwing, you'll be twisting away from the opposite direction.
I need a plain piece of paper.
Okay, in the computer.
Steve gave me the number of that AC guy that Betsy recommends. Okay?
Okay.
I have it in the kitchen.
Okay. You want to wrap the tape you want to cover the tape. It's easier when you have somebody helping you. It goes much quicker, but when you don't have a buddy, this is how you do it. The tape is for 2 reasons. In case it gets wet and so the wires don't come out up inside. And you can let it hang, it won't come out. And then you can have your tape ready for the next ones. Grab that one that fell. And then you want to do the black one. And sometimes you can use wire snippers and snip off some of the wire, the black, so you can get more of the wire showing, so you can wrap around the copper. And you always want to do black to black, white to white, always. You will learn the hard way if you don't. If you keep the electricity on, it can really hurt yourself. But I advise you not to keep the electricity on. Do as I say, not as I do. And I apologize if I called a part a wrong name. I know how to do handyman things around the house. I don't necessarily know what they're called. I guess that's the more important thing. My dad taught me a lot, so thanks, Dad. So, and then all you do is you push these back up in there. They are a little hard. Oh, and if you don't have a ground, a wire one, there's a green screw right here. You can just wrap it around and then tighten the screw. It's on the hanging mount. You can't really see it on the video. This is actually the hardest part. But my daughter can change one of these lights. She's 13, so if she can do it, anyone can. So. And you don't need that much. You just need a couple threads. This is the most annoying part of the entire thing. Oh my. Very annoying. Make sure it's tight. Now, turn the light on. Voila. Thank you for watching. Thank you.